Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another tutorial video on my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can download pictures from your Instagram ID. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Instagram ID, and for example I want to download this image. To download this, all I need to do is click this share option, click that, and you can see on the bottom the copy link option. Select that option, and now the link of that picture has been copied. Now go to your browser, any browser will do. I'm using my Chrome, and here just type save insta and search, and scroll down a little bit. You can see the website called save/free.com. click that website, and in this box, as you can see, just paste that link that you just copied, just paste it and click the option view, and it will take a few seconds to process this image. All you have to do, just wait a little bit. And now this image has shown in this website. Now all you have to do is click that download image option, click that option, and it will automatically start downloading on your devices. Just wait a little bit. Here you can see, just click that download image option, and now as you can see, this image has been downloaded to my gallery. And this is the video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next